Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of industrial IoT, where innovation meets risk and what we can do about it. Picture this, a factory filled with machines that are constantly communicating with each other, collecting data and making decisions in real time. This is the power of industrial IoT, a technology that is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry. But with great power comes great responsibility. And the increased connectivity in these industrial environments also brings about new risks. The key insight for today's clip is this. As we continue to embrace the potential of industrial IoT, we must also be aware of the potential risks and take proactive steps to mitigate them. First, let's talk about the risks. With more and more devices being connected to the internet, the chances of cyberattacks increase exponentially. This not only puts sensitive data at risk, but can also disrupt operations and cause physical damage to the machines. Imagine if a hacker gains access to the controls of a production line and causes a malfunction, leading to costly downtime and potential safety hazards. Another risk is the lack of standardization in the industry. With different manufacturers and vendors providing IoT solutions, there is often a lack of compatibility and interoperability between devices. This can lead to data silos and hinder the full potential of industrial IoT. So what can we do about it? The first step is to prioritize security. This means implementing strong authentication protocols, regularly updating software and firmware, and having a disaster recovery plan in place. It's also crucial to train employees and create a culture of security awareness within the organization. Secondly, we need to push for standardization in the industry. This will not only improve compatibility, but also make it easier for companies to adopt and integrate industrial IoT solutions. Lastly, we must invest in continuous monitoring and analysis of the data collected by these devices. This will not only help in identifying potential risks, but also provide valuable insights for improving efficiency and productivity in the manufacturing process. As a tech-savvy audience, it's important for us to stay updated on the latest developments and advancements in industrial IoT. By being aware of the potential risks, we can work towards creating a more secure and standardized environment for this technology to thrive. In conclusion, industrial IoT is a game changer for the manufacturing industry, but it also comes with its fair share of risks. By prioritizing security, pushing for standardization, and investing in data monitoring and analysis, we can ensure that innovation and risk coexist harmoniously in the world of industrial IoT. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Stay tuned for more tech insights, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Thank you for watching.